Hello everyone. Today we're at Rohan Saroha, the latest project by Rohan Builders. Situated near the beautiful and well-connected Bavdhan, this place has beautiful views that you'd love to wake up to. Hi, I'm Sanya, your host, और आज हम जाने वाले एक 2 BHK के home tour पे, which is based on Plus Homes concept, which means perfect ventilation, lively light, utmost privacy and smart space utilization. Now in every Rohan home, you'll find an essence of Plus Home, but this space has a very unique feature which I'll show you once we go inside. So let's check it out. Come on. As you enter, आप notice करेंगे ये welcoming foyer space. This area adds a layer of privacy by limiting direct views into your living space. And this provides a practical spot for your shoe racks and other essentials. Instead of a narrow foyer space, we've slightly increased the width to provide a proportionately pleasant volume of space. अब चलते हैं living room में. As you enter the living room, you will be greeted with a wide area and nicely laid vitrified tiles, which provides a good feel underfoot. The wonderful feature is this offset-free wall. Now, without any structural limitations, you can design the wall the way you like it. You can add a mural, a wallpaper, or a family portrait. The living room is located such that only the balcony is on one side. This will limit the frequent crossover movement of people, और आप अपना TV viewing experience आराम से enjoy कर सकते हो. The TV and AC points are strategically placed for your comfort. The TV is placed perpendicular to the balcony opening. This will avoid any glares from the outside. Centrally placed sliding doors से आपके curtains perfectly side में fit हो जाते हैं. And the 50% opening ensures that you have a clear opening to go to the balcony. The living room is well ventilated और attached balcony से बहुत सारा natural light आता है. अब चलते हैं balcony में. याद है about that one unique feature I was talking to you about in the beginning? Here it is. Also, most units in this project provide you a hill or a valley view like this. The hill being on the east, you can enjoy sunsets every day from this balcony. जैसे आप sliding windows खोलते हो, the balcony becomes a part of your living room, and your living room becomes an extended space for parties and entertaining guests. Balcony बिल्कुल private है, ऊपर से covered है और कोई overlooking windows नहीं है. Extended walls and recessed balconies add to your privacy. The slender railings not only provides you safety, but it gets you ample of light, fresh air, and of course good views. Now let's go to the dining area. The dining area is interconnected with the kitchen because of its open concept design. Now even though it's visually connected, it's still properly segregated from each other. आप यहाँ पे अपना dining table आराम से रख सकते हैं and you can serve hot food to your loved ones directly from the kitchen. A window opening for cross ventilation is provided here. इससे बहुत अच्छे से natural light आता है. इस space में you can add a showcase or any other crockery unit. There's a common wash basin here conveniently located near the dining area. Children and guests can have easy access to it because of that. Now let's explore the kitchen. The kitchen and the dining area are visually connected and very close to each other. Kitchen में एक extended L-shaped platform दिया गया है with a stainless steel sink जो working space को optimize करता है. The granite platform is large enough so that 2 people can simultaneously work here. The dado tiles go up to 2 feet above the platform, making cleaning a very easy process. The kitchen is designed in a triangular format for the fridge, hob and the sink, which enhances efficiency. There's a lot of space for overhead cabinets, which maximizes storage. Different electrical points have been provided for the water purifier, chimney and the exhaust fan. You also get solar heated water in the kitchen sink. इससे आप oily utensils easily wash कर सकते हो और आपको winters में भी warm water मिलता रहेगा. Kitchen में ample light और ventilation है, thanks to its openness towards dining and living areas and the utility space. चलो utility space देखते हैं. The utility area opens into a well-ventilated space which provides a lot of natural light and fresh air to the kitchen. Equipped with the inlet and outlet provisions, as well as the 2 tap points, one for the washing machine and another for utensil washing, the utility area is smartly designed. Also, since this space is so well ventilated, you can use it to dry your clothes, which means your main balconies are free of any clutter and eventually बाहर से building हमेशा better लगेगी. आपके ओवरऑल लिविंग एक्सपीरियंस को बेहतर बनाने के लिए दिस वेल डिजाइन्ड यूटिलिटी स्पेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द कॉमन वॉश बेसिन इज आउटसाइड द कॉमन वॉशरूम. It is designed in such a way that your guests after their lunch or dinner can directly use it without entering the washrooms or the bedrooms. The washroom doors have a durable frame. Upon entering, you'll find yourself in the dry area first because the wet and dry areas are segregated by a tile drop for maximum comfort and ease of use. The false ceiling conceals the piping and the geyser provision. Since आपका WC wall mounted है, cleaning the floor and tiles beneath is easy. Branded high quality CP and sanitary fittings इस washroom को एक extra elegant look देते हैं. So this room is perfect for elders and kids. Common washroom and wash basin एकदम पास है and it's easily accessible. The tall window opening is strategically sized to allow for wardrobe niche. The sill height of the window is low so that you can have great views from the comfort of your bed. This window will bring in a lot of natural light and fresh air. A niche is created for the wardrobe space here. इससे आपका wardrobe बाहर jut out नहीं होगा और आपको free space मिलती है to move around the bedside. Also, this gives you the flexibility to use the other free space as you like it. Also, this adds a character to the facade from an external view. So now we're in the master bedroom. This bedroom is rectangular shape. इससे आपका furniture design और layout easy हो जाता है. There's an offset free wall over here जो आपको flexibility देता है to do interior designing as you like it. A niche is created for wardrobe space जिसे आप अपना bedroom space optimally use कर सकते हो. And there are no dead spaces. आप देखेंगे in spite of the bed there's a lot of space available. There's a dresser point over here. यहाँ पे you can add a wardrobe, a study table or any storage in the future. Bed के पास two-way switches है for your comfort. AC and TV points have also been given. So this window brings in a lot of natural light and fresh air. The top half is openable for ventilation and the bottom half has fixed toughened glass for safety. The window sill height is low so that it can have great views from the comfort of your bed. This bedroom comes with an attached washroom. So let's check it out. This attached washroom has durable engineered stone door frame. A tile drop segregates the wet and the dry areas. और डैडो टाइल से cleaning easy हो जाता है. It is completed with a concealed fall ceiling that hides plumbing for a sleek finish. Branded CP and sanitary fittings, accurately aligned tiles, and smart storage make this washroom unique. The attached washroom in the master bedroom includes a countertop wash basin, WC, and a separate shower area. With branded fittings and a concealed fall ceiling, this washroom is designed to be both functional and elegant, with wet and dry areas carefully segregated. Also, all horizontal surfaces are lined with full body tiles. इससे cleaning बहुत easy हो जाता है. Ample light and ventilation enhance the ambience of this washroom. Currently, I'm walking through the circulation spine of the house. The branching allows access to different rooms, maximizing usable space. I personally like how the tile selections and civil finishes have a neutral color palette. इसका मतलब आप जो भी interior कराएंगे, it will look good with neutral colors. Instead of following trends, this will remain timeless. The homes at Rohan Saroha are thoughtfully designed inside out. The homes at Rohan Saroha are truly plus and are designed for you and your loved ones. Thank you for joining me on this 2 BHK home tour.